Hello, and welcome to Learning Outcome 3, Understanding How to Manage a Cybersecurity Attack. In today's session, we will explore how organizations can effectively manage and respond to cybersecurity incidents. Managing cyber attacks requires a comprehensive and well-structured approach, one that includes clear communication, defined roles and responsibilities, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By understanding and applying these key strategies, organizations can minimize the impact of cyber threats, recover more efficiently, and strengthen their overall cyber resilience. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the essential steps involved in planning for, responding to, and learning from cybersecurity incidents. A cyber attack can severely disrupt an organization's operations. Financial losses, reputational damage, and legal consequences are common impacts. Effective management can mitigate these effects, but prevention is key. Organizations must prioritize security to avoid long-term damage. Understanding these impacts helps in preparing better defenses. An incident management plan is vital for handling cyber incidents efficiently. It outlines detection, response, and recovery processes. Key components include notification procedures and team responsibilities. Clear roles ensure quick and coordinated actions. Regular reviews keep the plan effective and up to date. Effective communication is crucial during a cyber attack. Internal clarity helps coordinate responses, while external transparency maintains trust. Stakeholders need timely updates to prevent misinformation. Media engagement should be factual and consistent. Good communication reduces panic and aids in damage control. Defining roles is essential in incident management. The incident lead oversees the response, ensuring decisions are timely. Support teams handle initial detection and containment. Legal and compliance teams manage regulatory reporting. Clear responsibilities prevent confusion and ensure a swift response. Technical actions are critical in managing incidents. Isolating affected systems prevents further damage. Evidence preservation aids in investigations. Applying updates and patches ensures vulnerabilities are closed. Recovery plans prioritize critical services. Technical measures must align with overall incident strategy. Business continuity is crucial during cyber incidents. Keeping essential services running minimizes disruption. Backup systems provide alternative solutions. Communication with staff and customers maintains trust. Tracking costs helps in later analysis and claims. Continuity plans ensure resilience against attacks. Cyber attacks often lead to significant financial losses. Costs include system recovery, downtime, and potential ransom payments. Customer compensation may be necessary if data is compromised. Financial stability can be threatened, especially for smaller organizations. Prevention and effective management minimize these financial risks. Reputation is hard to rebuild after a breach. Loss of trust affects sales and partnerships. Transparency and communication are key to recovery. High-profile breaches lead to public scrutiny. Smaller businesses may face severe consequences if clients lose confidence. Legal compliance is crucial in cyber incident management. Breaches must be reported to authorities like the ICO. Non-compliance can lead to severe fines and legal action. Organizations must demonstrate accountability and adequate security controls. Legal consequences highlight the importance of robust cyber risk management. The incident response lifecycle includes several stages. Preparation involves maintaining an up-to-date plan. Detection uses alerts and reports to identify incidents. Containment stops the spread of attacks. Eradication removes threats, and recovery restores normal operations. Each stage is vital for effective incident management. A post-incident review is essential for learning. It identifies what went wrong and how to improve. Root cause analysis addresses the underlying issues. Sharing lessons learned enhances future readiness. Reviews ensure continuous improvement in incident management. Training is crucial for effective incident management. Staff must recognize threats and respond appropriately. Tabletop exercises and phishing drills enhance preparedness. Regular training keeps skills up to date. A well-trained team reduces the likelihood and impact of cyber incidents. External consultants provide expertise in complex incidents. They conduct forensic analysis and recommend remediation strategies. Independent verification ensures vulnerabilities are resolved. Consultants support post-incident reviews and risk assessments. Their involvement strengthens the organization's response capabilities. Suppliers and third parties are key during incidents. They support investigation and remediation efforts. Timely breach reporting is crucial for compliance. Collaboration ensures faster recovery and risk management. Well-defined agreements enhance accountability and response efficiency. Mitigation reduces the impact of incidents and prevents recurrence. Security patches close known vulnerabilities. Network segmentation contains damage. User training raises awareness of threats. Access control reviews ensure only authorized access. Effective mitigation strengthens the organization's defenses. Documentation is key in incident management. Every action must be logged for accountability. Evidence collection supports investigations and legal use. Timeline creation tracks progress from detection to resolution. Proper documentation ensures compliance and captures lessons for future improvement. Continuous improvement is vital in cybersecurity. Regular reviews update defenses and processes. Lessons learned are integrated into training and policies. Improvement ensures the organization adapts to evolving threats. A proactive approach strengthens resilience against future incidents. In conclusion, understanding the impact and management of cybersecurity incidents is vital for every organization. This video has outlined the key steps and strategies required for effective incident management, helping to reduce risks and support swift recovery. By fostering a strong security culture, everyone plays an important role in protecting data and maintaining organizational integrity. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a message via WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.